Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will see why to learn AMP. What is AMP and why to learn AMP is very important because most of the people don't know what is AMP. So this video will be sort of preface for this course. First of all, what is AMP? We have one more video module, that is the introduction to AMP, which will help you to figure out what is AMP. But for a definition sake, we will see what is AMP. So AMP is a solution stacks for all computer platforms. These software bundles means Apache, MySQL and PHP are used to run dynamic websites or server. By dynamic websites, we mean the website which is not static and all the elements in the website changes per time. Now let's come to the point why to learn AMP. In this course, we will learn how to set up a complete up and running local web development platform. That means if you are from a web development background, you must know how to install AMP and how to start your own web development platform. For PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and XML development, AMP will provide you an environment so that you can deploy your code on your local machine before making it live. So if you are planning to develop a project upon any of these languages, you must know how to deploy your project on a local machine before making it live. So you should learn AMP. This was the tutorial upon what is AMP and why you should learn AMP. From the very next tutorial we will start our introduction to AMP. Thank you.